Diana Vanderdoes, 20 years.
Gary Fair, 25 years.
Rick Doherty, 30 years.
What I believe sets the Mental Health Center of Denver apart from other organizations is that the value and the investment that they put in their employees. They allow us to utilize our strength in our work. They allow us to grow into the position that we want to grow into.
We have a team of 700 people, and they bring their talents to work every day.
I think what sets MHCD apart as an employer is the way we treat people. And I think that's what's made me stay so long.
MHCD really takes care of the people who work here.
And that's why I've been here for so long, is because I've felt valued.
I think what sets the Mental Health Center of Denver apart from other employers is our willingness to embrace change.
Vicki Stewart, 20 years.
Rick Phillips, 20 years.
Cheryl Clark, 20 years.
I think the Mental Health Center of Denver will be doing the same thing in 10 years, only larger. They're always trying to serve more people.
We really focus on what is the next thing that we need to be looking at in healthcare. And as an organization, what is that innovation that we need to be looking for? And you know, the fact that we look forward all the time is something that's very different than most organizations.
My hope in 10 years is that the torch continues on as far as really being in the forefront of mental health services and being the innovator in not just Colorado but across the United States.
And I see people go back to work, sometimes with a job that has really good benefits. They buy their own house, and sometimes they don't need MHCD anymore.
What I would really dearly like to see is that the Mental Health Center of Denver is no longer needed because we've managed to stomp out mental illness.
So I see a future where the work of the Mental Health Center of Denver is championed by people throughout the community.
I think the future of the Mental Health Center of Denver is very bright.
I see that everybody will be working mobily.
Better medications to help with recovery and more housing to get people off of the streets.
In 10 years, I see the Mental Health Center of Denver moving even further in the direction of treating the whole person.
10 years from now, I really see the Mental Health Center of Denver valuing the people that we've served and hiring more and more people with lived experience to provide services, peer support services.
Clayton Smith, 25 years.
Kim Faust, 25 years.
Linda Miller, 25 years.
Angie Elsie, 30 years.
I am most proud of working with the people that we serve and helping them reach their recovery.
The most pride is how our help desk team supports the staff that serves the people.
I've been given an opportunity to make a real impact in the lives of the people that we serve.
What I'm most proud of at the Mental Health Center of Denver is the people I work with, the staff.
You know, the last 30 years, I think one of the things that I'm proudest of is the way that the Mental Health Center of Denver has changed the conversation in Denver about mental health and mental well-being. People now are aware that there are resources and help for them, and we're very much a part of creating that change in the community. That's the thing I'm proudest of.